great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC Yukon XL Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. Driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this Yukon comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, the electric park brake, 360-degree camera, park assist, auto stop start, traction control, hill descent control, self-park, lane departure warning, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps, and the integrated trailer brake controller. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, light leather interior with Denali embroidery in both seats, along with a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side having our adaptive cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and to the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. Up next is our fully customizable driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, power folding rear seats, the power liftgate button where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, power sunroof buttons, interior light buttons, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. Up next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. We have our shortcut buttons down the left, such as our trailering app, Bluetooth, Google Maps, our music options, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. That straight line there was for hitch guidance. HD surround vision allows us to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Electronic precision shifting to the left. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are down below. Tri-zone climate control buttons with air conditioning. Heated and ventilated front seats. Our heated steering wheel button is just down below. Some USB ports and plug-ins. This is our wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Starting at the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, fog lights, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood, white mirror caps and door handles. Those side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator. Rear tinted windows, power retractable running boards with perimeter lighting down below, remote start, keyless entry and keyless start, catback performance exhaust. As we make our way to the back, we have the power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob. You'll notice we're able to open just that top portion of glass or the entire lift gate altogether. I'm going to push the button twice to pop the full lift gate open. In the trunk, plenty of cargo storage space, a collapsible cargo organizer, cargo hooks, power folding second and third row seats, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power door locks, power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets along with our rear media entertainment system. Center console has our dual cup holders, the rear climate control buttons, heated second row seats, some USB-C plugins and HDMI plugins with a power plug-in down near the floor, bucket seats in the second row, To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle. You can also push the seat release on the side and back of the seat, or we have a power folding seat button just to the side here that will easily fold those second row seats with the push of a button. The third row has 3 additional seats with cup holders and USB-C plug-ins on both sides. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Yukon XL Denali, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com. And to stay up to date on all things GMC, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons.